I just got the second part of my order from Germany delivered, and I'm just confirming that I've got the right plants. This is Gold Flame. This is a honeysuckle. Okay, we should have 2 more honeysuckles. They're very moist. Roots are good. They're amazing actually. Let's see. Okay, I have opened all of them. There is one that is not named correctly. Star of Tuscany is actually the Trachelospermum jasminoides, which is this plant. And this one, yeah. Anyway, but it is a Battlia, and by order of elimination, this has to be the non-home blue. But I will contact the seller and make sure that it is that. And they all seem to be in very good condition, even though they have been on the road in the air for 3 weeks. The wisteria seems very healthy. It's quite... oh wow, these just may be flower buds. I'm very curious because I've never grown these, the American wisterias. This is the Blue Moon, Wisteria macrostachium Blue Moon. Now, the really cool thing about the American wisterias, well, there's a few cool things, but the main one is it flowers on the current year's growth. So it's much simpler to get it to flower rather than the Asian ones, which you need to create flowering spurs by pruning twice in a very specific way. Not that it's a big deal, but you need to do that. Otherwise, it's gonna be very sparse, if at all, if they're gonna flower at all. Now, the curious thing is, if these are indeed flowering buds, then why are they on the last year's growth? So yeah, I'm just quite curious what's gonna happen. I'm optimistic they didn't make a mistake on this one, but we'll see. The other way you can tell about whether it's an American wisteria is if you look at the direction it's rotating in. It's the way they are rotating. So I think the American ones go clockwise and the Asian ones anti-clockwise. If it's a mistake, then they are the opposite. Yeah, which is an interesting fact. So it's a bit difficult to tell with this one at the moment. I think it's going clockwise, but yeah, it's a bit too straight to tell. I'm gonna have to wait to confirm. So that remains to be seen. This one, I was surprised it came in such a fancy container and big one. The Thelmaniana Lonicera Thelmaniana. It's got funny growth. The buds are opposite, of course, but I don't know. I just didn't expect this. So we'll see what goes there. This is dead on the top, which is fine. This is Badlian Black Knight. It also doesn't look to be in great shape. I'm gonna have to okay. Well, we have roots, good roots. I'm gonna have to double check. Okay, I see green, so we should be fine. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave them under cover for a few days, and then we'll see. Also, we have Pink Delight. Again, it's in Badlia. We have Gold Flame, another honeysuckle. And I'm just wondering, so I have 2 honeysuckles. Should there be another one? I'll just check now my list now. But anyway, that's it for now. I'm definitely gonna be watering them today with some kelp and another biostimulant to help them with the transition from one climate to another, because now we're getting 20 plus degrees here. So yeah, that should help them. That's it for now.